Today is February 4th, 2019. I've lived in this house for almost 2.5 years, and never before have I had birds flying into my window like this, or the windows. It started Sunday morning, possibly Saturday night. I didn't really notice until Sunday morning. Saturday night I was led to anoint the house with oil, and I went around every single window and door, and I was praying Psalm 91, and that was Saturday night. I opened this one because he was ramming into this window. Then he just moved to that one. And there's another bird that keeps doing it also. Like I said, I've lived here 2.5 years, and never before has this happened. He gets tired, and then he'll rest for a minute, and then he'll start going again. And he's been doing it non-stop since I anointed. There's another bird too. It was doing the same thing. That other bird goes to the other windows. And it started happening after I anointed the windows. Here's the other one. Sorry. I don't know what to do to make them stop. I mean, I've got the air on, so I can't have all the windows open. I don't know what to do. I don't want this little guy to die. Anyway, if anyone has any suggestions, please let me know. Here's the other one. There's a squirrel climbing down.